Good morning, everyone. I am up. I'm up, I swear. But listen to the sound of rain on Gladys. Literally one of the best sounds you can ever hear, especially one of the best sounds you can wake up to after a lovely night sleeping in your teardrop camper. Since it is raining out, it's supposed to rain like on and off all day, so I'm not 100% sure what adventures we'll be doing today, but it doesn't matter because we're up at the lake. We got some good stuff going on. Hopefully the rain will stop so we can do some things out on the water. We shall see, but in the meantime, I do got to jump on the laptop. I got to knock out some work. But listen to this rain! The rain has stopped, so now it is time to get onto the boat. I think Tyler is here, so he's gonna try barefooting, and then we're gonna do a little surfing. Gotta get out here before it starts raining again.
Hey!
I'm working on a vlog right now. We gotta take a quick break because we're going tubing. Let's freaking ride. Well, we just got back from tubing. We got about a 15-minute break. Now it's back out to do some more wake surfing. We riding. Get out of here. He's not even going. Weak. Why aren't you going on this surfboard trip?
I'm injured.
You're injured?
Yeah.
What, your pride?
No, I kicked myself when I was dismounting on the barefoot skiing.
Well, why'd you do that?
It was not graceful. That's all I'll say.
Yeah, it's true. We got the clip of it, so it's fine. Holy cow, what another awesome day of so many activities, from playing spike ball in the rain, and then after that spike ball activity we decided, hey, this is just some nice rain. We went swimming, and then of course all of the other water activities, going wake surfing, tubing. My brother and Tyler, they did the barefoot skiing. I don't even know what it's called, but they just hang onto a metal pole and try to stand up on the water. Not my vibes, but hey, enjoy your life. Now I'm gonna go enjoy the bed in Gladys because we chillin' in the TAG. You can't beat it. It's the best bedroom in the world. And I'm gonna go enjoy the sleep, especially because it is supposed to rain/storm tonight. And I always love that, because when that happens and I'm sleeping in the TAG, I get some of the best sleep of my life, because it sounds so good when it rains and you're in your TAG. Can't beat it. All right, sweet dreams. I'm off to bed, and then to another day of a variety of different outdoor activities. You can't beat it when you're at the lake. Peace.